build out a lead magnet funnel. Okay, so I'm going to go over and log into my Builderall account. If you guys haven't gotten a Builderall account yet and you would like a 7-day free trial, there will be a link in the description. You can go click that link, go over and start your free trial with Builderall so you can start building out your lead magnet funnels. Now, if you are new to Builderall, probably the first thing you're going to want to do is set up your mailing boss autoresponder. That's probably your first step I'd recommend you do, because this is the place that's going to collect your leads, meaning your emails, so the details of your prospects or potential customers or just your leads. You want them to be stored in a place that's well organized and that you can access very easy. So Mailing Boss is an email marketing service, so it's just like some of the bigger email marketing service providers out there. However, it's building with your monthly subscription with Builderall on top of the sales funnels and all the other features in here as well. So I do recommend setting that up. Mine's already set up. It's really simple process. Just set that up, because every time you build out a funnel, you want those leads going into your funnel here. However, if you do have an email marketing service provider, you can always configure your funnels to be integrated with your email marketing service provider, so your leads can go to those email marketing service providers and get stored over there. Okay, but if you're new, just set up the Mailing Boss autoresponder. That's the first thing you would do. Alrighty, so once you're inside here, what you want to do is you can either click just here, go to Sales Funnels, or you can click up on the top left hand corner where it says Builders. So I'm just going to click here. I'm going to go to the drag and drop pixel perfect, and I'm going to go to Sales Funnels. So as you can see, they've got a bunch of sales funnels in here, but I'm just going to show you guys how to create a lead magnet funnel. So basically with this one, it's a funnel pre-built. All we've got to do is go in and edit it and set it up and design it the way we want it to look and feel, and to match what we're giving away in our lead magnet funnel. Okay, so as you can see, a lead magnet funnel, you basically exchange some type of freebie in exchange for an email address. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. This is like probably one of the most basic funnels you can build. Really good just for collecting email addresses. So as you can see, there's a video tutorial inside of Builderall if you want to watch that. Let's just go ahead and edit this template. So once I press edit template, it's going to bring me to the editor where I can just go ahead and start building out this funnel. Now the first alert you're going to get, notification, is the pop-up that says to configure your email marketing. Okay, so that's why I said have your autoresponder set up. If you do have a third-party autoresponder like I use sometimes as well, I can show you, or it's very easy to configure that as well. It's just maybe 3 steps, enter in your API keys and they'll configure. Okay, so it's very simple as well. I won't go over that in this video. I'm just going to show you how to connect this to your Mailing Boss. So I'm just going to press close here. Okay, so what I'm going to do straight away off the bat, I think, is just save it. So once I save it, I'm going to name it. So lead magnet funnel 2, lead magnet funnel 2. I'm going to press send. So my whole funnel has just been saved. Okay, might take up to 5 minutes. So as you can see, if you click this button up here, it'll show you all the pages involved with this funnel. So you've got the lead magnet page, which is this one. Then you've got your thank you page, which is this one. So this is the page they see after they've opted in through the opt-in page. So what I'm going to do now is go back to the first page. So here's where it's telling me to configure my email marketing. So I'm going to close that. So with this box here, this is a opt-in form, this box right here, this is called a form. So what I'm going to do is right click on this one and configure it. So as you can see, configure. Now all these will pop up, okay? Now I've already got my Aweber configured and my mailing boss. So whatever one you're using, you can use a third party, or like I recommend, just use Mailing Boss because it comes with your monthly subscription. So what I want to do is find my lead magnet funnel, just here, lead magnet funnel. So every person who opts into this funnel will now be going into that list, okay, in Mailing Boss. Okay, so now that we've got the list configured and we know where our leads are going, they're going to end up in our Mailing Boss email marketing service. Okay, so the leads are stored once they opt into this. So let's go ahead and change this out really quick. So as you can see, you've got an image here. Let's go and change that. So right click on this. Anything you see on this page you can edit and change to your liking. So I'm going to change the image. Now for this giveaway, just for example, like it said, give away something for free in exchange for an email address. We're just going to go ahead with giving away a free training on how you can create an online sales funnel. Okay, so this is something I've actually given away before as a lead magnet, and it converts very well. So let's just use this as an example. Okay, so I've promoted this in a video or something like that. People want to learn how they can create an online sales funnel step by step. It's a course or video tutorial showing them how to do that. Okay, so they come to this page once it's live and they opt in to get access to this video. Okay, so let's go ahead and change the headline. So I'll just go over here to some text I've prepared earlier. Go back into the editor. Double click on this box where you get the headline, and it will bring up the editing tool. So I can just highlight all of this and paste that in. Okay, so let's just change some of this up. Might make that bold. Let's set that up. So let's just make that red. So as you can see, you can pretty much edit anything here. You can change the font size. So let's just leave that. That's what it looks like on desktop. Okay, learn how to create a high converting lead generation funnel in under 15 minutes. So the headline, you want to make it compelling enough for them to opt into this page and congruent with what you were offering before they landed on this page as well. So let's do the sub headline here. So basically I'm just going to tell them or ask them where's the best place to send the training to. As you can see, it doesn't fit in there perfect, so I'm going to make the size a little bit smaller. Keep going until it looks nicer. There you go. I'm going to pop it up like this. A little bit bigger. And as you can see, it's just changing. Very easy to edit. I can bring that down, make it look better. Now with this one here, I can leave the button. If I wanted to change the text on the button, again, right click, and you can go to button here, and I can change that. Okay, so just confirm, get access now, and you can see that's just changed. Okay, so that's basically the first page done in this funnel, the opt-in page. If I wanted to get rid of anything, I'd right click on the image and I will delete it. Same as this one, or you can leave your logo here. You can change all this text. Obviously, like I said, anything you see on this page is you can edit it. So that's what the first page would look like. And when somebody, once this funnel goes live and they opt into here, they'll be landing in my mailing boss email list. Okay. So I'm going to save that. Okay, that's the first page done. Now let's go to the thank you page. So the thank you page is where they go once they've opted in and they've given you their email address. Okay, so there's a few things you can do on the thank you page. Now for simple lead generation funnel like I'm showing you now, you could probably just deliver the free report or the PDF or the ebook you promised them, or the training or the video right here on this thank you page. Okay, you can just embed a video in here if you like. For this example, let's go with this. So I'm going to copy this straight in here, and it basically says, thank you for getting access, your video is on its way. I'm going to make it a headline. Okay, you can see that's a headline now. And then with this one, so for this example, I'm not going to actually deliver the training or the video I promised them on this video. I'm going to send that to their email address, and all you'll do is send them an email. You can set up an autoresponder within Mailing Boss as well. So once they opt into this funnel, you can send them a welcome email with the video in it, okay, or a link to the video. But with this example, I'm just going to say, in the meantime, watch the video below to learn how you can get a free trial of the software you'll be needing to build out this funnel, okay? So that's basically promoting Builderall. So as you can see, I could edit all this stuff and make it look more pretty. I just wanted to give you guys the example. So I'm going to put a video in here. So let's just go to my channel. I'm going to grab a link to this video here, Best Online Marketing Tools, Get Started for Free. I'm just going to get the shareable link. Now, you don't have to do all this stuff, guys. If you don't want to put a video in here, you don't have to. I'm just showing you an example. So I'm going to configure this. As you can see, video URL. I'm going to swap out this URL for the one I've just copied. You can change all these videos settings here if you like. Confirm, and there you go. So basically what happens is once they opt in, they come to this page, they watch this video real quick. In the meantime, the actual training video is getting sent to their email, and this is how they can get access to the Builderall platform for free, so they can follow along and start to build out their online sales funnel. Okay, so let's just delete this text. Oh, access to free trial here, click below. Okay, so I can write something like that, like just to prompt them to get started. Click below. I can put in an action here, which be just a link to Builderall, which I'll show you guys really quick. Grab that. Should take me straight inside the dashboard. Let's go and grab that funnel. Builderall Business. Go to Money Making Funnels. and then I can get the 7-day free trial, which is in my back office here. There you go. So I'll get the link for the home page. I just click on that. That's been copied. Let's go back to the editor. Let's edit this button. Go to action. I'm going to go to web address right here. As you can see, you can send them to another page, email. I'm going to send them to a web address. So I'm going to put the URL in there to the funnel. Open a new tab. I'm going to press OK. And there you have it. So that's the full funnel. You got your opt-in, you got your thank you page, which is this one. Their promise, you'll send it to their email address. In the meantime, they're going to watch this video. They're going to get access to the Builderall free trial by clicking this button, and that's going to send them to that page I just shared with you guys. I'll show you what it was. So as you can see, my affiliate link up here. So I just put this, there you go, no credit card, no risk required, and that gives them the 7-day free trial. So that's just an example, guys, of a lead magnet funnel. So once all of that's done and I'm happy with the way everything looks, again, if you're new to Builderall or any editing kind of software, you just get in here and play around and just see what works for you, okay? Once you're done, that whole funnel is now built out. I'll press save. Okay, save. That's done. Now what I want to do is make sure this is live. So I'll just close this page down. Go to leave page. I'm going to go up to my builders. Go to my sites right here. Should have my funnel in there saved, as you can see just here. And because it's not blue yet, like these ones, they're not hyperlinked. It means it's not live. Okay, so let's go and publish it. Press publish. Okay. Okay, so that whole funnel is now published. So let's just check if everything's working properly. This is the live page. And there you go, you can see how that funnel just worked. Now that lead I just showed you, I just entered in my email address and my name. It's now in the Mailing Boss system. Like I said, you can set up an autoresponder within Mailing Boss to send out the free PDF, your ebook, or whatever they opted in for into their email inbox right away. Or you can do something, you can put the free report or the ebook or whatever they opted in for right here on the thank you page. Okay, so for this example, I'm just having them watch a video here where they can get started for free with Builderall and start building out these funnels. And then if they were to click here, as you can see, it says get access to the Builderall. They would click here and it would take them over to the 7-day free trial. So that's basically how you build a lead magnet funnel, guys. If you haven't got Builderall at all yet, you can go over here, click the link in the description. You can go over, get a 7-day free trial so you can build out all sorts of funnels. This is just one of 17 templates already pre-built.